Hey, today we are going to share how we can create Google Compute Engine instances, both via the user interface and via the Cloud Shell, via the command line. Let's do it. So we jump directly to the compute part on the menu, Compute Engine, then VM instances. Create. We need to name the instance. So instance, I'll say test one. Then we need to choose the region. So we'll put Europe West 1. Also, we have the choice to put which zone the VM will belong. So we will keep West 1B. And after that, for the machine type, we have different family. So general purpose, memory optimized, compute optimized. For the moment, we will keep the default option, which is N1 standard one with one vCPU, as you can see here. And the image will be Debian image with 10 gigabyte persistent disk attached to the VM. Here there is a couple of interesting options also, is that you have the choice to allow full access to all cloud API, which will impact the provisioning of the service account itself. It will have access to all those API. And if you'd like to enable HTTP or HTTPS traffic and the firewall rule, so for the moment we will not do it. So we will just create the instance, and it will take a few seconds. And on the meanwhile, we'll activate Cloud Shell. So as you can see, the instance is already created, so we can inspect it. So we are in Europe West 1B in this zone, and our VM created has it's N1 standard one. It's in Europe West 1B. It have primary private IP automatically assigned, etc., etc. So all the details are there. And from the command line, we can also use gcloud compute instance API. So we can name it instance test 2, and we can choose also the zone. We can put the machine type and the size of the volume which will be attached. So basically, all the option that we already saw on the user interface, you can handle them via the command line. And for our example, we choose the same zone, Europe West 1B, different machine type, which is a smaller one, and 10 gigabyte as the size of the volume attached to our instance, and it will take a few seconds to be created. So once it's created, it will just appear on the list. And we have our instance test 2. It's already up, and you can SSH to the instance directly. It will take a few seconds. and I'm already inside the instance. And just it. Thank you very much. Et voilà. So you can find in the first comment below additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel below to be notified once new content is available.